So now we can understanding the next bit is about the parallelogram of vector addition. This is also very important law. So this law we are considering how we understood the triangle of vector addition. Similarly we can understanding the what parallelogram law of vector addition. So here we are going to consider the one parallelogram. You know the what is parallelogram means two opposite sides should be what parallel. The opposite side must be what parallel. So this is the one parallelogram law. This is we are going to see. Okay, so this is the one parallelogram. So if two vectors that is A vector and B vector, so it is represented both magnitude and direction. We are saying that both magnitude and direction. So this is the A vector and B vector are the two vectors. So which are adjacent vector of so this is the parallelogram. Adjacent vector ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you ಬಾಜು ಬಾಜು ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಿ ಬಾಜು ಇದ್ದವರಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ, ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಟೂ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬೋತ್ magnitude and direction. Okay, so magnitude and direction of the two adjacent sides of the parallelogram. Here we are considering the what parallelogram. This is the O is the one what point, that is the common point for the both the vectors. Two vectors ka common point avail. Okay, so both the vectors. So next the resultant vector, it is represented both magnitude and direction by the diagonal of the parallelogram. This is the what diagonal. So diagonal of the parallelogram. So the diagonal of the parallelogram, then it is called the parallelogram of vector addition. Okay, so once again we can see that statement, what is it exactly? Statement ಏನದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Statement is saying that if two vectors, okay, acting at a point, this is the one point, acting at a point. Okay, if two vectors are acting at a point are represented in magnitude and direction by the adjacent side of the parallelogram, parallelogram, then their resultant vector, it is represented both magnitude and direction by the diagonal of the parallelogram at that point. The same point we are considering here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ ಎರಡು adjacent sides ಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ resultant vector ದು point ಏನದ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದ. Okay, so this is the, we are going to see that this is O, this is A, this is what we are going to call the B, this is C. Okay, this is the one resultant vector. Okay, so ಇದು ಏನದ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅದ. ಇದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಟೂ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಂಬೈನಿಂಗ್, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗ್ಲಾಕತ್ತ, ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ಲಾಕತ್ತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಾರಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಸೊ ನೌ ಸಿ ಇಫ್ two vectors acting at a point, okay, acting at a point, if two vectors, okay, acting at a point, points are acting at a point are represented both magnitude and direction direction. So direction by the ಏನಾಗಲಕತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದಲ್ಲಿ by the ಏನಂತೇಳಿನ by the two adjacent sides of the parallelogram. So direction, so by the two adjacent side of the parallelogram. Okay, parallelogram. So ಇದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಎರಡು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆವು. ಎರಡು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ದೇ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ their resultant vector is represented both magnitude and direction. Okay, so magnitude and direction. So ಇದು ಏನಾದ direction, ಇದು resultant vector ಏನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ represent ಆಗಲಕತ್ತದ, represented by the what, where adjacent ಐತಪ್ಪ, by the ಏನು ಆಗಲಕತ್ತಲ್ಲ, by the diagonal of the parallelogram. So ಇದನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಕತ್ತದ, parallelogram ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಕತ್ತದ ಇದನ್ನು. So where it is going to be acting, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, if two vectors acting at a point are represented both magnitude and direction by the two adjacent sides of the triangle ಅಂತ ಹೇಳದ. ಇದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಏನೇ ಆಗಕತ್ತದ, ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ diagonal of the what parallelogram which is passing through the point, at that point passing through the water same point. So passing through the water same point agakattali, passing through the water same point. Okay, so parallelogram passing through that point, passing through that point, Now listen carefully. Once again we can statement, we can read it. So now the total statement we got it. So if two vectors acting at a point are represented, both in magnitude and direction by the two adjacent sides of the parallelogram, so then the resultant vector is represented both magnitude and direction by the diagonal of the parallelogram passing through that point ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಇದು ಏನದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅದ. ಸೊ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್, ಎರಡು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಅವ, ಎ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅದ, ಎರಡು ಏನವ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಲಿಕತ್ತೇವ್. ಅದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಕತ್ತ, ಬೋತ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತೇವ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನ ಅದನ್ನು ಏನದ ಬೋತ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ it is representing by the what, diagonal of the ಏನದ parallelogram, diagonal of the ಏನದ parallelogram passing through the same point, passing through the. Okay, so now see statement, you can see the statement.
Yes sir.
See the statement, it is like this way. Once again I'll repeat, listen carefully because you people are saying something rather than here. So please listen carefully. What is that statement? Statement you know, first understand ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. If two vectors acting at a point, okay, if two vectors acting at a point, okay, so represented both magnitude and direction by the two adjacent sides of the parallelogram. by the two adjacent sides of the parallelogram. So then they resultant. This is the what resultant. Okay. So then they resultant both represented represented both magnitude and direction by the diagonal of the parallelogram passing through that point. Same point it is passing. This is the what statement of the what parallelogram. So this is the statement of the parallelogram. So now we are going to understanding the magnitude and direction of the parallelogram. Okay, so magnitude and direction. Okay, so magnitude and direction of resultant using parallelogram law of vector addition. Okay, using what parallelogram law of vector addition. So ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸೂಪರ್. So here now if in figure we can see that a vector and b vectors, a vector and b vectors, here vectors golava. So in figure that is OP vector equal to a vector, OP vector equal to a vector, and OP vector equal to a vector, and OR vector equal to b vectors. Okay, so these are what are two vectors. These are two vectors. Okay, these are two vectors. These are what are two vectors. So and now we can see that OQ vector equal to, that is the R vector. So this we are going to call the resultant vector. The resultant vector. So this is resultant vector. Resultant vector ಅಂತ ಇರಲಿಕತ್ತಿನ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಇರಲಿಕತ್ತಿನ? Resultant vector ಅಂತ ಇರಲಿಕತ್ತಿನ. So now we are considering one right angle triangle. ಒಂದು right angle triangle ಅನ್ನ consider ಮಾಡೋಣ. So we are constructing the what? We are extending this one. So this is the one right angle triangle. Means to construct this right angle triangle. So this is the what 90 degree. ಇದು ಏನದ 90 degree. This angle we are going to see that 90 degree. This we can call the S. Okay. So that point I will consider as a S. OP it is extended. OP ಏನದ ಇದು extended ಮಾಡ್ಯದ S ವರೆಗೂ. And then so this Q and S it is joined. Okay, Q and S it is joined. So here we are getting the one right angle triangle. So the angle made between the two vector it is theta. Angle made between the two vector it is the theta, and this is the what the angle between the what resultant vector and a vector. So here we can see that theta it is called, theta is the angle between what is that a vector and b vector, a vector and b vector. Okay, so alpha it is the what angle between a vector and r vector, a vector and r vector. So here we are considering the whatever the theta is there, no, the same angle we can see it at this point. Okay, same angle we are going to get it. So from triangle we can considering like this way, from triangle. Okay, so PSQ, one triangle we are taking it, PSQ. So that is sin theta equal to, using the what trigonometry function, sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, so this is hypotenuse. This is another hypotenuse of the PQ, another hypotenuse of the QS. So this is adjacent, this is the opposite. Okay, so that is the what opposite we are considering. This is the adjacent. So whatever the vector is there, so that is B vector. It is according to the what parallelogram. The two opposite sides are same. Parallelogram nalli ಎರಡು opposite sides same irtavre, same irtav anta helakatene ನಾನು. So that is the B vector. So opposite by hypotenuse means we can write on sin theta equal to opposite is what is that opposite QS divided by PS. So hypotenuse is PQ. So better I should write down here only. So this is what PS divided by PQ. Sorry, QS divided by PQ. So QS we don't know the value, as it is we can write down QS. PQ value is B vector. B vector is B vector. Okay, so therefore QS equal to, so what is that? B into sin theta. B into what is that? Sin theta. So this we can write down here. QS it is a B sin theta. QS is B sin theta. So now we can take the word cos theta also. Cos theta equal to what is that? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent what is it? PS. Adjacent is PS. PS divided by QP. Okay. So therefore cos theta equal to PS as it is we can write down QP is B. So therefore what we are getting now? So that is the PS equal to B cos theta. So the PS value here to here up to here, what is that? B cos theta. B cos theta is B cos theta. So O to P it is a vector. Already we have mentioned O to P it is a vector. O to R it is B vector, and OQ it is R vector. So theta is the angle between A and B. Alpha is the angle between the what? A vector and R vector. So from that we are considering that therefore here QS equal to what is that? B sin theta, and here another TS equal to B cos theta. Okay, TS equal to what is that? B cos theta. So now we are using the parallelogram law of vector addition. What we are using the parallelogram law of vector addition is, here we are using the what on a triangle. Okay, in triangle we are using the Pythagoras theorem. Yen use madlakatteno Pythagoras theorem. So we are using the what? Pythagoras theorem. So in a triangle A, so wait a minute. This is another OSQ. One triangle we are taking it. Triangle OSQ. Okay. So that is also right angle triangle. Aduni another right angle triangle. OSQ is the what? Right angle triangle. Got the thing, sir? The OSQ is the what? Right angle triangle. So using Pythagoras theorem, we are using what? Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem. What is that Pythagoras theorem? AC square plus AB square equal to BC. Hypotenuse square equal to, okay, so adjacent square plus opposite square. Adjacent square plus opposite square. Hypotenuse ಏನದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ OQ square. Okay, adjacent ಏನದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ OS square plus what is that? OQ square equal to OS square. Okay, and then opposite square is QS square. QS square. Correct? So OQ square. This is the what? So what we are getting now? OQ is the hypotenuse square equal to OS square plus what is that? QS square. That is the opposite square. So now OQ square, what we are going to write down as it is, you can write down OQ square equal to this OS square, you can write down the OP plus PS square plus this is the what? QS square. Now we will substitute the values. OQ square, what is that? OQ square is R square equal to. So we are calculating the what? Magnitude. So first we are calculating the magnitude. So here we are calculating the magnitude of R, that is resultant vector. Magnitude ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ. So next we are calculating the what? Direction. So R square equal to, this is a OP. OP ಏನಂದ್ರೆ what is that? A square. PS what is that? Here B cos theta. B cos theta whole square. Again that QS square means this is a B sin theta whole square. So this is look like a what? A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square means A square plus B square plus 2AB. So here B cos theta is there. In the place of B we are using that also. Okay. So here A square plus B square, that is B square cos square theta plus 2AB cos theta. What the things are? Plus here B square sin square theta. B square sin square theta. Up to here understood? Any doubt? Any doubt idre ಕೇಳಪ್ಪ. So ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Here I will write down. Now see, therefore R square equal to, so this is A square plus, okay, so A square plus that is B square bracket sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2AB cos theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 according to trigonometry function. Sin square theta ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದ, cos square theta ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದ 1 ಆಗಿರ್ತದ. So that is A square plus B square plus this is 2AB cos theta, or R equal to into ಹೋಗಲಕತ್ತಿ ನಾನು square root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta ಅಂತು. So this is the what? The resultant vector magnitude, the magnitude of the resultant vector. So this is magnitude of resultant vector. Now we are calculating the direction. Okay, so direction of R. So ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು? tan theta. So tan theta equal to, what is that? ಏನಂತ tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. Opposite ಏನದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ opposite ಏನದ? QS ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ. Adjacent ಏನದ? OS ಅದ. Adjacent ಏನದ ರೀ? OS. So that is QS divided by OS. We can write down OP plus PS. OP plus PS. Therefore tan theta equal to QS ಏನದ? B sin theta ಅದ. This substitute here B sin theta. OP is A. PS ಏನದ? B cos theta. B cos theta. That is the result. Sorry, ಇದು theta ಇದೆ, ಇದು alpha. Tan alpha. Okay, so that is the result. So this is totally, if you write down as it is, ನೀವು as it is ಬರ್ದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? 5 out of 5. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್. Okay, once again I will repeat this one. Listen carefully. So to calculate the magnitude of resultant vector, that is the R. Okay, magnitude of R in figure. So in figure what we have taken? OP vector equal to A vector we have taken. OR equal to B vector. So this is OP is the A vector. OR is the B vector. So these are two vectors we have taken. So OQ, O to Q is the what? R vector. This is the resultant vector. Theta it is angle between the A vector and B vector. A vector and B vector, that is the theta. Alpha, the angle between the what? A vector and R vector, that is the resultant vector we are seeing that. So now QS B sin theta and PS B cos theta, how we are getting this? From this figure we are getting. So we are construct the what of PS. So we are extended O to P, we are extended to PS, and this we are consider the QS. So in triangle PSQ we are taken sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is QS, okay, divided by hypotenuse PQ. So QS divided by PQ. Sin theta equal to QS divided by PQ. PQ value is that B. So therefore QS equal to B sin theta we have taken. Again now we can consider cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is PS divided by QP. So that is cos theta equal to PS divided by B cross multiplied PS equal to B cos theta. These things we are getting from that figure. So that is QS equal to B sin theta and PS equal to B cos theta. So again we are considering one triangle, right angle triangle. This is also what a right angle triangle OSQ. Using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to adjacent square plus opposite square. Hypotenuse square is a OQ square. OQ is the what hypotenuse. OS square is the adjacent. Again then QS is the opposite. So then OQ square equal to this OS we have extended now O to P, P to S. Two values are different. So OP plus PS whole square plus QS square. OP A square plus sorry, this is A. This is A plus B cos theta whole square plus B sin theta whole square. So A plus B whole square formula, A square plus B square plus 2AB, that is A square plus B square is, again it is extended, this totally it is a B only, the B square cos square theta plus 2AB cos theta plus B square sin square theta. So then R square equal to, so A square, B square we have taken the common, this is B square we have taken, then cos square inside, what is that? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ 1 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So R square equal to A square plus B square 2AB cos theta, or R equal to square root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. So this is the magnitude of the resultant vector. Okay, so this is the direction of R vector. So tan alpha equal to opposite by adjacent equal to QS by OS. Opposite QS adjacent OS. QS divided by, this is OS, again we can represent OP plus PS. So then tan alpha equal to QS is B sin theta divided by A plus B cos theta. What the things are understood? No doubt. So this is direction of R, direction of a resultant vector.